Mastering Web Design with Stock Images, Creative Efficiency and Impact. Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive deep into the world of web design and learn how utilizing stock images can revolutionize your creative process, amplify your website's impact, and drive user engagement. Stock images offer an invaluable resource for web designers. They're ready-made visual assets that can save you time, boost your website's visual appeal, and enhance the overall user experience. The power of stock images in web design. Speeding up creative process. First and foremost, stock images accelerate the creative process. Instead of spending hours on custom photography or intricate graphic design, you can easily find images that match your theme and concept. These images also wield the power to maximize impact. High-quality visuals instantly grab attention, making your website more visually engaging and memorable. But it doesn't stop there. Stock images can also drive clicks. When strategically placed, they can guide users' attention to important elements like calls to action, leading to higher conversion rates. Let's explore some best practices for effectively using stock images in your web design journey. When using high-quality stock photos, make sure they are always web-sized. Unlike print, website images can be viewed on various devices and screen sizes. Using web-sized images that are optimized for online display prevents pixelation and blurring, providing a consistent experience across all platforms. This is a key pillar of responsive design, and it helps to ensure that your website works well as users interact with it on different screen orientations and sizes. Start by selecting relevant images. Choose visuals that align with your website's content and resonate with your target audience. Maintaining consistency. Consistency is key. Ensure the chosen images match your brand's style, color palette, and overall design aesthetics. Take a look at what your competitors are publishing on their sites to come up with ideas to set yourself apart. Ultimately, you want to select photos that feel current, yet aren't commonly used to create a more authentic feel. A common myth of web design is that users don't scroll. One study found that 65% of users scroll down the page, and 68% of time on the page is spent below the fold. It's important to place images strategically to guide users' eyes and emphasize essential information. Different browsers and devices might render images differently. Regular testing ensures that your choice of stock photos doesn't affect the website's functionality and appearance across environments, including mobile devices like tablets and smartphones. Opening Mobile View in the browser and on the device you want to test is one of the best ways to get accurate results. Website visitors usually skim content and follow visual cues, starting with the left side of the screen, as well as the top of the page. Use your stock images as tools to meet your audience where they are, with the information they need most. When integrating images, always leave ample space for text. The balance between visuals and written content ensures a harmonious user experience. Optimize your images for the web. Resize and compress them to maintain quality while ensuring fast loading times. Some easy ways to do this include: reduce image dimensions. Use concise image names. Avoid extraneous images. Choose the right file format. Where to find free stock images. Discovering quality resources. Let's explore some websites where you can discover high-quality, free stock images. I listed some websites where you can get some great stock photos and videos. Platforms like Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, Burst by Shopify, Freepik, and Reshot offer a wide range of images that cater to various themes. Incorporating stock images into your web design process can truly elevate your creations. By adhering to best practices and using these valuable resources wisely, you'll craft websites that capture attention and leave a lasting impression on your audience. If your web design strategy includes social media integration, ensure stock images are consistent with the visuals used on social platforms. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content.